Our new digital marketing minor stands out because students do not only just learn about digital marketing, they will be certified by two leading organizations in the field. One is the AMA, American Marketing Association, and the other one is the Digital Marketing Institute, the DMI. That students don't just learn digital marketing, they will actually do it. Students will learn something hands-on, like they have to create social media content using CapCut and Adobe Express and Canva. They will also learn how to build basic website using Google Site. They will also learn social media management platform like Hootsuite. They will learn something hands-on and make them career ready. The fact that I have earned the dual certification myself gives me a fresh new perspective into what digital marketers are doing right now in the industry. It also gives me access to a worldwide network of digital marketers in the industry. Students who will thrive in these programs are people who are creative, proactive, and eager to learn new things, and they would like to learn something hands-on. They don't have to be a business major. They can be communication, art, psychology, anybody who would like to have digital literacy. This is a great minor to add to their major. So the key message is that we designed this program so that students will leave SUNY Oswego with a credential and also a real skills that will make them truly career and world ready.